Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G30 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's tap on this button above the shutter now to open some more options about the camera we can manage. At the last one position here we have aspect ratio option, so we can see that now we are in 3:4 ratio. Let's tap here to change this to 9:16, and as you can see the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it looks like. Also another tap here to this button and we can pick the full aspect ratio. So now we can see the full camera frame. And of course when we pick this button once again, we can go back to 3:4, so to remind you this is how it looks like. In this camera app we have also one more way to change aspect ratio, maybe more complicated, so let's move now to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the rear camera or the selfie camera categories at the first place here, and here we have photo size options. So let me tap now on photo size of the rear camera, and here we can also manage these three ratios, so we can pick whatever we need. And we have extra thing, resolution, so we can change the quality of our ratios of our pictures. And you can pick here whatever you need. The same thing happens in the selfie camera photo size. And this is connected with different resolution here also. And that's all, this is how to manage this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.